Oh yeah, it's me, Natalie and Nat. Welcome to my channel, Glam Slam Nails. If you're new, my name's Natalie. Nails reviews, hauls, anything to do with nails. But this is to show you how this thing works. I figured it out. So I thought I'll do a short video and show you how it works. Now these are Madam Glam foils that I've got here. It's a holographic one. So basically what you do, you think it's going to be a faff, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be. So you get this little pink heart-shaped thing that comes with it. You put this... Dominic's going to come in and annoy me now. I know he is. You put this round like that. Wrap it round and round and round. Like so. I mean, it's quite clever, really. The only thing is, when you do this, I've figured, is you're not going to know the name of the foil you're using. So, like if you're doing a set for, well, you probably will do, I suppose, if you're in a salon. But you know, like for YouTube and that, you probably, because not more all my foils have a name on them, so I know what they're called and where they're from. But if you do this, then you won't. I'll show you why in a minute. I've actually done a lot. Where did I put them others? Where did I put them? What have I done with them now? Honestly, my brain is terrible. Anyway, I need to find them actually. Do you know what? I think they've fallen off. Honestly, my brain is stupid at times. So yeah, you just keep winding it round this, and there is a little slit in this plastic thing here. So, and that's how it catches hold of it. So you don't. You know, it does. I mean, like I say, when I first did it first time, I thought, oh, this is a faff. But once you do it a couple of times, yeah, it's fairly easy, really. I think these are going to be good, these, though, for the, like, thinner foils. You know, like, because you've got thicker foils, haven't you, and thinner foils. More like the ones that are solid coloured foils, like this. Yeah. So, I'll just finish this off. Wrap it round and round. And I thought, because there were a lot of this, I thought, oh, it's not going to fit, you know, it's going to be too much. But it's not, because I've already done one with a different one. And that had a lot of foil on it. I've had this one a long time, actually, this foil. I think it's had it ages, actually. So then what you do, you push that into there like that. So it's like that. And don't worry if it's not perfect, it doesn't have to be. You're just going to push it in like that, and then pull it off the, well, it's like a key in it. You can loosen it, it'll be fine. As long as you can get it off. Because you have to loosen it a bit to get it off. Just don't let it out at the other end. There you go. And then that's it, it's in. So it's quite clever, really. So that's what you do, that's how you do it. Now I did this one with the foils that it came with. But like I say, the only problem I've got with it is you're not going to know the names of them, what they are. But still, it's an handy dandy little tool, so that's how you put them foils on anyway. Yeah, so it's just a nice, easy, simple little video. Thanks for clicking on the video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Lots more videos coming up, and yeah, and I'll see you again. Bye guys.